40 questions to push your English skills. How far can you go? Let's get started. Find the closest synonym of secure. Answer C. Safe. Which is a synonym of pain? Answer B. Ache. What does make short work of mean? Answer D. Finish quickly. What does cut someone down to size mean? Answer A. Humble. Choose the antonym of brisk. Answer B. Sluggish. What is the antonym of conflict? Answer D. Harmony. Choose the antonym of sturdy. Answer C. Fragile. Choose the correct plural of category. Answer C. Categories. What is the plural form of jeopardy? Answer A. Jeopardy. Choose the correct plural of hero. Answer D. Heroes. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer C. Are you familiar with this software? Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer A. If I were you, I would reconsider that offer. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. He didn't tell me about the change in schedule. What is the past form of dare? Answer B. Dared. Choose the past tense of speed. Answer D. Sped. What is the past form of overtake? Answer A. Overtook. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B. Complain. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Decorative. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Atypically. Which is a synonym of international? Answer C. Global. Pick a synonym of chilly. Answer B. Cool. Choose a synonym of category. Answer D. Classification. What does see the light mean? Answer A. Understand. What does go to ground mean? Answer D. Hide. What does stretch the truth mean? Answer B. Exaggerate. Choose the antonym of constrain. Answer A. Liberate. Opposite of careless. Answer C. Careful. Choose the correct plural of gulf. Answer D. Gulfs. What is the plural form of family? Answer C. Families. Choose the correct plural of catch. Answer A. Catches. Fill the gap. Answer B. I was very surprised by the news. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A. She tried to open the window, but it wouldn't open. Fill the gap. Answer D. The teacher praised his diligence in completing the task. Choose the past form of shrink. Answer B. Shrank. What's the past tense of bid? Answer A. Bid. Choose the past form of spin. Answer C. Spun. Almost there. Just 4 to go. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Transport. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Assemble. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Terminate. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Monumental. Congratulations! You made it! How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe.